At Domin, we're known for engineering a range of direct drive servo valves that defy convention and set new standards. We do this through innovative architectural design and a combination of cutting-edge tools including additive manufacturing, modern onboard electronics, position sensing, and digital connectivity. Lots of people will be familiar with additive manufacturing or 3D printing as a manufacturing process that creates objects by building layer by layer. At Domin, there are only a handful of companies that use metal additive manufacturing in production of fully commercialized products. Metal manufacturing has allowed us to take an architectural approach to design, enabling us to develop tiny yet complex systems in our hydraulic designs, including servo valves. We can ensure these complex geometries are designed to optimize fluid dynamics, which enhances efficiency and performance. We use maraging steel, which has well-tested attributes of being incredibly strong and tough. This allows us to print small and complex designs without any compromised durability and strength. The nature of additive manufacturing is that it's quite simple for us to make a modification at the design stage and take it right through to the manufactured part. We built Domin not by accepting compromises. The tools that we use to create our groundbreaking technology is a true reflection of this. And because of this approach, it means that customers no longer have to accept compromises either.